Mr. Bell, I am, you'll be installing these Kwikset 620 locks here at this property on the exterior doors. What I'm doing is I'm going in and installing the batteries in. I'm putting in new batteries and not the ones that actually came with it. And I'm installing them so I can go ahead and add everything to my to the network so I can control it remotely, because you'll be doing the installation when I'm not here. And I just, once they're in, I want to be able to control everything and secure the property. Here are the like bedroom and bathroom doorknobs. However, I did want to show you the doors that they be installed on. You got, a lot of these old doors. Get out the way. So we kind of gotta get them installed some kind of way, maybe up here. And you gotta kind of cut in for the, for the lock hole. So got that. Then same thing here. Another old door, right? It had those, looks like it had those old locks on it. So got to kind of cut the hole out in there. I gotta put a door here. And then this last lock, man, this doorknob is so pretty. I really hate to get rid of it. But you know more about these old locks. If I can keep it, but it seems like there has supposed to be some kind of attachment that goes here. That's not there. Probably was the same thing for this door. And maybe that back door too. And even on this front door, it's, you got, I guess we'll have to just put the deadbolt. Oh, damn, where can we put the deadbolt? Ooh. Yep. Got to figure out kind of where to put the deadbolt for this door. Let me know what you think, if it can be kind of drilled in over here, if it even fit. Hope so. Yes, sir. I think that's it. Let me know again. I think I may have the hardware for these older doors. I think I saw some stuff outside here. Yeah, okay. Here's at least one. So, let's see.